Chapter 2 Stack. Stack is an important tool in programming languages. Stack is one of the most essential linear data structures. Implementation of most of the system programs is based on stack data structure. So stack data structure is very useful and it is most essential linear data structure. Stack is also known as a push down list. The insertion of element onto stack is called push and removal or deletion is called pop. So push and pops are main operations involved in a stack. Due to push operation from one end, elements are added to the stack. The stack is also known as a push down list. Most and least reachable elements in stacks are respectively known as top and bottom of stack. A stack is an arranged collection of elements into which new elements can be inserted. Insertion and deletion operation is carried out at top of the stack. Stack is a set of elements in a last in and first out technique. In this figure, the last item pushed onto stack is always the first to be removed from the stack. The end of stack from where the insertion deletion operation is carried out is called top. So the element which is appended lastly is deleted first. If we want to delete element 3, it is necessary to delete top elements 5 and 4 first. You can see pot containing plates kept on one another. Plates can be inserted or removed from the top. Top plate can be removed first in case of pop operation is carried out. Otherwise, other plates are added on the top. In other words, removal operation has to be carried out from top. Thus, placing the removing takes from top. So, placing or removing it is takes from top. That means we have to remove and place at the top. So, it is compulsory. As shown in the first half portion of above figure, first integer 1 is inserted and then 2, 3, 4 and 5 are pushed. So first integer is inserted 1, then 2, 3, 5, 4 are pushed on the stack. In second half portion of the same figure, the elements are deleted popped one by one from the top. Elements are deleted in order from 5 to 1. So it was order of deletion. The insertion and deletion operation is carried out at one end, that is top. Hence the recently inserted element is deleted first. So element which is recently inserted gets deleted first. If we want to delete a particular element of a stack, it is necessary to delete all elements present above that element. It is not possible to delete element 2 without deleting element 5, 4 and 3. The stack expands or shrinks with passage of time. So in this case the initial element is of stack is 5. So basically we have to remove all elements above it. So this is operation of stack. There is no higher limit on number of elements to be inserted in the stack. The total capacity of stack depends on memory of the computer. In practical life we come across many examples based on principle of stack. So there are stack of books also. So this is figure of stack of books that we keep in order. Whenever we want to remove a book, the removal operation is made from top or new books can be added.